Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the sector OAB and radius is given 5 cm. Very importantly, the angle is given in radians. That's why the above two formula is being pulled out, because these two formula deals with angles in radian. And where is the angle? This one. This symbol represents the angle in radian. Okay, so for part A, to find the arc length AB, okay, arc length, then I'm going to look at this formula then, which states that it is simply the radius times the angle. The radius times angle, and I got the radius 5, I got the angle 2.4 radian. So the arc length that we are looking at, which is this, is simply 5, the radius 2.4, the angle in radian, multiply them together and we are done. 12 cm, finish. Area of this sector again, since I already got the radius, then it's just direct application of this formula. Radius is 5, so 5 square, half 5 square times the angle in radian, 2.4. And the answer is 30 cm squared. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.